I'm going to show you on this channel how we use the dye kit. I'm going to put them on for you because I know it's going to look sexy on me. I'm going to do a full training tutorial on how to do dye testing. And when you use these two as a combination, magic happens. Welcome to the Target Marketplace office. I did an introduction to the Target Marketplace a few days ago, and we obviously highlighted what we're going to be doing and how we're going to be doing it and the types of instrumentation and so on and so forth, just to give you a bit of an insight as to what we're going to be doing and the kind of instruments that we're going to be bringing onto the channel, onto the platform. I just wanted to bring them in front of you, just a handful of them, and we're going to be, I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited that I am able to bring a large variety of instrumentation in front of you, so that you are aware of what's on the marketplace and what is available out there for you. So here we go. This is just a little glimpse of what is available. So firstly, plumbers out there, builders out there, construction guys out there, waterproofing companies out there, the kind of things that you need, the things that you should be using to establish yourselves, to become more professional in your outlook. And these are just some of the things that you should be using. Number one, a moisture meter. A moisture meter that allows you to measure moisture in percentage, which is the way it should be measured. And it's the type of moisture meter that you use. So a lot of people out there use moisture meters because it says moisture, and they think that because it's got two pins on the front, you poke it into the brick or the mortar or the plaster work or the concrete or the ground or the floor or the shower base or the flat roof. It's not the case. The proper moisture meter that you should be using is a flat face or a ball head. This is a ball head, and this allows you to take a moisture reading. Let me switch this on for you so maybe we can actually take a look at the screen whilst we're at it. I'll put the lights on and we'll set the calibration. So now we have got a moisture meter. So this is just one of the fine examples that you guys should be using out there. A ball head moisture meter. Now, as you can see, this is my hand. I'm sure there's some moisture there. It's doing nothing. Why? Because we haven't calibrated it. So I'm going to calibrate it, and we are also on hold. So I'm going to take this off hold. Okay, it's calibrating. As you can see, it's calibrating. And here we go. Are you ready? This is now zeroed. This is now my hand coming close to the ball, and it's telling you it is 100% moisture, and you can see that. So this is something that we're going to be going into in detail. The FLIR thermal imaging camera. And there are other thermal imaging cameras on the marketplace as well, which we are going to bring on this channel for you, so that you guys can decide which one is good for you or suitable for your application. So this is just one of them, just a fine example, but there's many out there in the marketplace. And just to give you a quick glimpse, this is how it loads. It obviously is now setting up. and then you can see the setup bar at the bottom. Once the actual thermal picture, there you go. It's now looking at me in the reflection of the camera. Okay, and these are the types of things that we should be looking at. So I am a level 1 thermographer, I'm certified, so I will be bringing a lot of thermal imaging cameras onto the channel, onto the platform, and we will be discussing thermal imagery. We will be discussing the types of products that there are out there, the manufacturers out there, the suppliers out there, and we will be bringing different types of thermal cameras for different types of applications. Now, for thermal imaging, there are different products out there for waterproofing, for moisture readings, and so on and so forth. Even for the plumbing industry, we have quite a few thermal cameras out there that we will bring to the channel, and I think the plumbers out there, the moisture, the waterproofing boys, the girls that are actually now coming into play as well in these industries, which is fantastic news. I think these industries do need females out there because yeah, they're good at what they do. Regulators. So we're going to be bringing regulators into the actual on the platform as well. Gas equipment for testing combustible gases, testing hydrogen gases for leak detection, for air conditioning, ammonia gas, the cabling underground as well. They go into manholes, so they're basically testing for methane and carbon dioxide. So there's gas detectors out there for that too. From England, we've got the acoustic leak detection kits. We've got electrical CoC testers that come fully loaded with quite a few. Look at this, baby. Hey, look at this. This is an electrical CoC tester for electrical systems in your homes, in commercial premises, and this is the type of tester that an electrician, a qualified electrician, would use. Someone who is certified by the ECA, someone who's an electrical wireman with a wireman's license. So this is the type of equipment that they should be using. Okay, this is just one of the products that we're going to bring onto the platform as well. So this one literally is a full multifunction tester. It has a wide array of functionality, from voltage testing, insulation testing, from a minimum of 250 to 1000 volts. It's got loop testing, it's got automatic RCD testing. It's also got non-trip loop testing, which is earth loop impedance testing. So it also has that functionality as well. It also has phase rotation, and yeah, it's got a few other continuity resistance as well. So yeah, and it comes fully loaded with all the leads that you require, that are all up to standard GS38, which is the length of the tip of the metal that is exposed on the tip as well. I'm excited now because I love torches. So I have quite a few manufacturers out there and suppliers out there who supply me with torches, especially from England and some from China that are fantastic. This is just one of them. Extendable, which is a focal lens, so you focus on a certain area, or you have a wide angle. It's got a single LED. This is literally 800 lumens. It is very, very powerful. And the reason I want to bring torches onto the actual platform as well may seem a bit funny, but the torch itself, when you are testing for moisture and you are looking for signatures on the actual areas or in the areas where it is suspect, when you are looking at the areas using a normal ceiling light or a bathroom light or a room light, it does not and will not give you a clear view. I personally, when I inspect certain areas, I switch off the lights of that area and make sure that I have my torch. And I bring it on. You can see it, it's lit up. If I show it to you, you're going to be blinded. So, I nearly got blinded there, guys. So I'm going to switch it off. This gives you a very, very clear view of the area that is suspect. And it is so important that we use certain things like torches for certain areas. Otherwise, we don't have a clear view. My dye kit. Now the dye kit, it's an illuminous dye kit. So it is naked to your eye. It's not visible. Sorry, I used the word naked. It's not naked. It's not visible to your eye. So yes, so it is a transparent color. It obviously is yellow in color. It's an oil-based, non-toxic product that you can add to your basins, to your drains, to your shower bases. You can flood balconies, flat roofs, full bores, your shower base itself, plug it, flood it, and watch it disappear. And it is absolutely amazing. And the kit itself comprises, number one, with its own UV torch. It comes with its own UV torch. And as you can see, it is UV. Yes? So it comes with its torch. It comes with a dye tube. It comes with a syringe. It comes with a valve. And the best thing of all, and I never ever realized this until I actually used it myself for the first time. And I thought to myself, yeah, whatever. But when I put these glasses on, I'm going to put them on for you because I know it's going to look sexy on me. There you go, guys. I know I look cool. So when you put these on, once you've done your dye test, you don't immediately go and do your dye test. You flood the areas first. You allow the area to absorb and allow the actual dye to come through the certain areas that it needs to come through. And then sometimes it can take up to 72 hours. So what you do is when you get back, you go in the evening when it's dark, when there's no reflection, where there's no other light that can actually affect what you're looking at and the signatures and the colors that you're looking for. And you put these glasses on. You switch off the lights, make it nice and romantic for you, and then you put on your UV. And then when you use these two as a combination, magic happens. Absolute magic happens. And this is what I'm going to put into detail. And I'm going to show you on this channel how we use the dye kits. I'm going to do a full training tutorial on how to do dye testing on different applications. And I'm going to bring on the kit. I'm going to show you how to do the mixtures. I'm going to show you how to use the syringe and the valves and so on and so forth. And best thing after that, you've even got a spray to clean off the dye. This product comes in from America. It's imported and it's supplied here in South Africa. So I'm going to show you all of these little things. I am excited. I hope you guys are excited. And my next video, look forward to it. It's going to be on Wednesday next week. And I'm going to upload it Wednesday night. It'll be ready for you. So guys, please, if you like my content, if you want more content on products that you want me to highlight, please put it in the description below. Send me messages if you want to, and I look forward to next week. You look forward to next week. My first video, I'm going to load it on Wednesday, So please guys, like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And you know what? Come on board, you know? So you can give me what you want. You can tell me what you want and I'll bring it on this channel. I have contacts, I can do things, and I can make things happen.